Okay, so yo, what is up YouTube? My name is Jensai. Today's video, we're not going to play any games, okay? It's gonna be different. Instead, I'm going to teach you guys how to script in Roblox. So yeah, if you guys have just got into scripting, like you're really new into scripting and wanna learn how to script, then this video is the best choice for for you to learn how to script in Roblox, okay? So in basic scripting series, there will be some videos before you get into intermediate and also advanced scripting in Roblox. Yeah, and also make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video, because in the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys the link to my Discord server so that you guys can join and you guys can ask any questions, anything you like. So yeah, okay. So if you guys haven't got a Roblox Studio installed in your computer, you can just open browser and you can type in roblox.com create. Oh shit. Alright, let me use another browser. Yeah, let me just use this one. It doesn't matter, okay? So you guys can go to roblox.com create, and here you guys can press the start creating. And yeah, if you guys have the Roblox Studio installed, they will ask you to open Roblox. But if you haven't have the Roblox Studio installed, then they're gonna ask you to download it. See right here, you can just press download studio and also you will have it right here. So once you have it installed in your computer, just open the Roblox Studio. Oh, and for the material for today, oh god, wait, let me. Okay, so for the material for today that we're gonna learn is print and also variable. So this two kind of thing is very basic, like you will use it in some of your, even if you are advanced scripter, you will need these two things. Like this is the most common thing that you will usually use in your game. Alright, so we're gonna make a new place. So let's just press the new button here, and you guys can let me just pick best plate, okay, just because I don't need these buildings. Yeah, we're just gonna use best plate. Okay, it's kind of like, alright, once the place is open, so here it is, here's the base plate, okay, and alright, so for as a scripter, you need two things. You need like 4 windows, okay, like 4 tabs. We're just gonna get into view, open view on the top left, and we need output, okay. So we're gonna see if there's an error or anything like that. It will be output here. It will be shown here if whenever you have an error or you wanna just test your script if it's going correctly. Also, you guys need command bar, okay. So in command bar here you can type any script, it can be anything, and then it will be executed by your program and also will be shown in the output. Alright, so we're going to try the print first, okay. So in order to print something, you can just type in print like this. So this is a print function, okay. This is a print function, okay. And in order to print, for example, we're gonna print hello world. So hello world is a text. If you want to print a text, or we usually call it as string, you need the quotation mark, okay. So you're gonna do like this, and in between you're gonna type in the word, okay. For example, like this, and then you can just press enter. See, it shows hello world as the output because we print hello world string. If you want to print like a number, integer, you can just like print 2. And yeah, for integer, or we usually call it as, let's just say it's as a number, You don't need the quotation mark. Okay? It's only for strings. Strings is like this. It could be text or phrases. It could be anything. And yeah, for the string you need the quotation mark, and for numbers you don't need any quotation mark. Yeah, for example, you wanna say hello world, and also you wanna put some integer beside it. I mean a number beside it. You can just type in like hello world, or maybe you can. Well, let me check. Let me just close this first. You can just type in, for example, my number is. To concatenate string with number or any string, you can just do double dot. Yeah, let's just say double dot, and then you're gonna put, for example, 2. Yeah, and I will say my number is 2. If you want to say something like this, my name is, then for example, your name is going to be, let's just use Jan. Okay, yeah, this works too. So if you want to concatenate two strings, or strings with number, or maybe you want to concatenate two number, like this for example, like this, yeah, it's possible too. So anything you want to concatenate in the print, just do with double dots. Okay, but if you want to add something, I mean if you want to add number like this, yeah, you can just use plus or something like that. But this mathematical operators will be used in the next video. Okay, so we're just gonna mess with print and variable for now on, but this is just the output. I mean you just use command to see the output. What should we do if you want like two script for the game? Then you wanna need one more. It's going to be explorer, or maybe for an additional you can just show, let me, oh here we go, properties. Alright, we're gonna study properties later on. We're just gonna mess with print and variable from now on. Okay, in order to add script to your game, you can just go to workspace. There will be a plus sign beside it. You can just click on it. We're gonna use script. Just click on the script, add it right here, and we're gonna type in like print. Yeah, but this is going to be different as the command. If you if you run it in command bar, when you press enter, it's going to be executed before the game even run. Actually, you can run a command when the game is running too, but yeah, let's just forget that. But the things in the script here, it's only going to be executed whenever the game started to run. Okay, so like this, if you type in print hello world, see there's no output until you play the game, and then they will do the things inside the script. So for example, we're not gonna play, okay, because I don't want to spawn my character. We're just gonna do run, because we're just testing script. Okay, and see hello world. And if you wanna do like this, for example, my number is 2. There we go. And so that's the print. We're gonna add variable. We're gonna study variable now. Okay, variable. Okay, so variable, it's like, how can we say it? It's like where you store your value. For example, we're gonna say local age. This is how you make variable. Okay, you're gonna type in local, and then space, and then the name of your variable. For example, we're making it as age, and the space. No, it's, you can do without space. Okay, but I just make it like to be easy to see. Yeah, for example 20. Here you can change the number into age. So that's it. So we're gonna store the value 20 into age. So whenever you call age, then it's gonna turn into the value that they store, like that. Okay, we're just gonna see my number is 20. So that's variable and also print. Oh, and one more thing. For the variable, you can use it as string also. And for example, we're gonna like Jen. This is gonna be my name. Yes. Then this age, we're gonna change it into name, and this one as well. When we press run, it's gonna say my name is Jen. So this variable is really important because whenever, for example, you want to change the name based on what name they have. For example, your character, your Roblox name is something else. It's gonna appear in your name. Yeah, it's gonna be good if you use variable for that one. Okay, so that's it, guys, for variable on the screen. And also make sure you check this. Check the description down below because there will be my link. There will be a link to my Discord server. And yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.